Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming power and host connection. This matters because many failures are simply no power or a bad cable. First, plug the dock into a known outlet and check the LED. If it's dim, swap the adapter. Next, connect a verified host cable, USB-C or Thunderbolt, and inspect ends for debris. Once done, make sure your laptop is awake and set to allow external displays. These steps let you eliminate the largest, quick-fix culprits fast. Now you move into software and connection layers. Drivers and firmware often control port mapping and power delivery. Open Device Manager, remove the dock entry, and reinstall the latest driver from the vendor. Reboot after install so changes take effect. Meanwhile, run the dock firmware updater. Firmware fixes can restore USB and display routing. To confirm hardware state, power cycle the dock by removing adapter and cables for 30 seconds, then reconnect. If issues persist, try a different host port to rule out a specific controller fault. Finish by isolating and recovering the unit. This confirms whether the dock or host is at fault. If the vendor provides a factory reset, perform it exactly, then reconnect to a test PC to confirm basic functionality. If the dock works on another machine, focus on the original host's BIOS and USB/Thunderbolt settings. Make sure you capture device ID and error messages before contacting support. And one key troubleshooting tip.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.